Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle innovations and sustainable technologies. Today, we're taking a closer look at the electric vehicle plastics market, which is powering ahead with some exciting developments. As you may know, the automotive industry is shifting towards more eco-friendly materials, and plastics play a significant role in this transition. According to recent studies, the global electric vehicle market is expected to reach 14 million units by 2025, generating an unprecedented demand for sustainable plastics. At ElectroDrive News, we've been following the EV plastics market closely, and it's clear that innovators are working tirelessly to create new, more environmentally friendly plastic alternatives. One of the key areas of focus is bioplastics, made from renewable biomass sources such as cornstarch, sugarcane, or potato starch. These bioplastics offer a promising solution for reducing plastic waste in the automotive industry. For instance, the German automaker Volkswagen has announced plans to use 100% bio-based plastics by 2025, which will not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but also decrease dependence on fossil fuels. Another player making waves in the EV plastics market is the American company Automotive, which has developed a revolutionary new material made from mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms. This innovative material, called mycelium, boasts impressive properties, including biodegradability and carbon sequestration capabilities. As we move forward with sustainable innovation in the EV plastics market, it's essential to consider the potential impact on our planet. At ElectroDrive News, we believe that this shift towards eco-friendly materials will not only reduce plastic waste, but also pave the way for a more sustainable future for electric vehicles. So, what can you expect from the EV plastics market in the coming years? With companies like Volkswagen and Automotive leading the charge, it's clear that the industry is on track to make significant strides towards sustainability. We'll continue to bring you updates on this exciting development, so stay tuned to ElectroDrive News for all your electric vehicle news and innovation insights. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching ElectroDrive News. We'll be back with more stories from the world of electric vehicles.